Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. But anyways, in this video, we're going to be doing a O2 sensor replacement, specifically the Upstream O2 sensor. We're going to be replacing that on this 1996 four-door Acura Integra LS. The other models are basically the same, so don't worry. I have my toolkit. I have both types of O2 sensor sockets just in case. I have a breaker bar. I have PB, penetrating bolt buster, and of course the O2 sensor that we're going to be replacing the old one with. Under this car was very dirty, but it's my buddy's project car. He bought it for cheap, and we're going to fix it for cheap.
You make a YouTube video on an O2 sensor?
Yeah.
Okay. Get some master mechanics and watch this. Dude, look at this dumb spraying PB on the pole. He could have got out this hand.
Shut up.
Ugh.
Yeah, shut up, Trent. You should be thanking me that I put PB on this.
Got the bolt
It was so easy to turn
Couldn't use
after
the
I put
breaker
it.
bar because there's not enough room. But it's turning. Turning with my hands now. My hands are covered in dirt.
It was hard to turn it. With two hands, it would be very easy, but I was trying to record me taking it off. So, turning it with one hand, it makes it a bit harder.
Yeah.
But still easy to take off.
There we go.
Yeah, let's see it. Oh my god. Holy shit, dude.
Alright, there's the new one.
That is horrible.
Go get the new one.
I already have it here.
Yeah, anytime I moved under this car, dirt would fall onto me. It was a rough mess.
New one in Bruce.
That's usually horrible too. Oh man. This wire's cut too. Wait, no, it's not. I'm just stupid.
Yeah, I gotta put my phone down to screw this in. I didn't want to mess it up.
Maybe it's good that we fucking replace it. Jesus Christ, dude.
I'm gonna put my phone down so I can turn it. Alright, it's tightened down.
Anyways, got it screwed in, got it tightened down.
Now I just
Everything went well, no problems.
plug it in.
I used a 3/4 drive ratchet and a socket for it.
Alright, plugged in. Alright, replaced.
After
O2
connecting
sensor
it back
officially
up,
replaced.
everything fit in, and it all went great. My buddy Trent has a blown head gasket, so that's why there's a bunch of smoke
Trent, your
pouring out of his
smoking.
car when he started it, but it is what it is.
Oh yeah, you're right. Head
We got the O2 sensor done at least. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I had fun replacing this O2 sensor with my friend. I'm an amateur mechanic, but I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this can help you do your own amateur mechanic stuff. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll try and make more mechanic videos like this in the future. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.